Miamono ndemo Stephen asorbotiriro ikaranu kurwa skuli ya sekondari ya daraja 2 ekerobono twegenete buna abaro kiwamba chikonyora chinga ki erio gwikirania syllabus ya masomo ase kalenda gusekorengana ne kalenda inya guse kalenda ya masomo yo mwako yagabwichi 2022 togotikana nayo nigo yarokanire buna ubotumiki wechinjera cyo kubanga oroiboro anene ase abasae nigo bubwate ububonke ekerekorengani wano byabwaye kukwala nigetaseni kya Ndizi TV omu nyagetari kurwase nyagetari ya jamii yo gutoka ime yo mucyonyamira Dr. Maskerubo nigo aborire bari bonse bagutumeka cinchera cyo kubangoro iboro kwene kyabuna nkonyora bare obokonyi gosobo manyiko rwase abanyagetari eriyo ko cyagutumeka cinchere cyo kubanga uruiboro.
Kwa majina naitwa Maskerubo Mbati, nafanya Jamii Medical Diagnostic Center Hospital. I'm a nurse in charge of this facility. The benefits they get, they control pregnancy. They control pregnancy, and for those who have cramps when having periods, they lessen. Alafu the side effects, as long as you may control pregnancy, you cannot control the STIs and the HIV. You can contract HIV even if you are on family planning method because they can't control. P2s should be used once a month. So ukipata wana misuse, it can bring even blindness, eye blindness. Yeah, that's the side effect of P2.
Before using the family planning methods, they should visit the facility of their choice. For example, Jamii